Hello everybody, welcome back. Happy Tuesday. So on Tuesdays on my channel, we do like tips or little hacks, and this week is all about Paddington, my Pomeranian, because it is his birthday week. Are you excited for your birthday? Goodness. And so we are going to be making puppy loot bags today. I'm so excited. I always had loot bags as a kid for my birthdays, and I thought that it would be so much fun to do it for like my fur baby. So that's what we're going to do. It's a super simple video, but I thought it would be fun to show you like what we're putting in the loot bags. So first things first, I was like, what kind of bag do I want to use? I was thinking about using cellophane bags, but I couldn't find any, and then I had the best idea. We are going to use clean poop bags. I thought that this is so funny since it's like a dog birthday party, and then like the dog owners can actually use these afterwards. Yes, they're clean. What do you think? Do you like this color? Blue looks very nice on you, doesn't it? Yes, it looks nice with your fur, doesn't it? And then we have some ribbon. This is pankobunny chocolate shop ribbon in orange because I don't use the orange as much, and I'm like, let's just use that. He won't mind. So I'm gonna show you like, oh my god, I'm so excited for what I got for it. So first thing I got, and he's gonna be upset that he can't play with these. Amazon sells little like bundles of toys like this. This is like a 5-pack. Yes, this is a 5-pack. They sell packs of with like larger amounts as well. And I think it was only like 12 bucks or 20 bucks. So if you're looking for some cute toys to put in a loot bag, but you don't want to spend too much money, I think that this is a really, really good idea. I'll have them linked in the description box below if you want to pick them up. These are so cute because, let me just open them up. They're the cutest shape. So it's so crinkly. Yeah, I know. Paddington was gonna be so upset. Like, mommy, I want to keep these. I want to keep these, mommy. Yes. This is like a little banana. And they're small enough to fit in a loot bag, which is important. They're actually bigger than I thought they'd be, but they'll still fit. And this is like an eggplant. Okay. And then this is a mushroom. He's examining all of them and giving his approval, and this is a strawberry. Oh, you like that one more. And then last but not least is a little carrot. He loves to eat carrots. Whoa. Okay, so that's what we have for toys. And then I also got 2 little snacky things. So Paddington and, I was gonna say my Pomeranians, and I combine that with Paddington. They love these. These are, it's by a company called Whimsies, and they're basically little dental treats. So I think they're fully vegetable and they have completely natural ingredients. This isn't sponsored, but I mean, like, if Whimsies ever wants to sponsor me, I'm so down, because my dogs love Whimsies so much, and whenever I take my dogs to the vet actually like compliments me on how well their teeth look. Oh, just so nice. And it's all thanks to Whimsies. And they actually kind of fight over them when I give them the Whimsies as like a little treat. I give them 2, but they both want one. They both want the same one. So these they come in different sizes depending on the size of your dog. So I just got the small, and there's ones of different shapes. Personally, I like the ones that look like alligators because I think they're cute. But there's like stick shapes, and there's little like hedgehog shapes, and like a little toothbrush shape, and is that all? I'm not sure. But yeah, so they're super cute, and there's a bunch of different flavors too. So there's like a green one, a red one, a beige one. So we're gonna put 1 in each bag, and Paddington's gonna spaz when I open that up. And then from Whimsies as well, I actually haven't tried these, but I'm curious. They're called like rice bones, so they're little bones, and I thought they'd be a good size for the loot bag because they're like substantial enough to be a treat, but they're not messy since they're dried. And yeah, these are actually the large, so they're for dogs 25 to 60 pounds. Even if I combine you and Treacle, you wouldn't be 25 pounds. He's only 7 pounds. But yeah, I'm so curious about these, and I thought they'd be a good fit for the loot bag. So let's go. They're gonna help me fit it for your friends. We don't even know what friends are coming to your party. Part 2. So he's gonna get 2 different parties. We've already been to one actually, because his little Pomeranian friends are in town, Mugs and Skittles, and so we did like a little ball pit swimming pool party. That sounds weird. It will be, there's gonna be footage on Friday. It is the cutest thing. So we wanted to have like a little mini party with them first, because Paddington and Treacle are friends with them. But on the weekend, yes, I am heading over with the dogs to my wonderful friend Helga's house. She runs a dog walking company. I'll talk as I film. She runs a dog walking company in my neighborhood in Toronto, and she's like so fabulous. She's so knowledgeable. I feel 100% safe whenever my dogs are with her. She does boarding as well, so if I'm like gonna be out late at night, I can just give the dogs to her like overnight and she'll take care of them or just walk them or whatever. It's just wonderful. So I'll have her info links in the description box. If you guys are in like the West End in Toronto, you look her up, she's amazing. But either way, so she always has dogs at her place, so I'm just gonna go over the weekend and see what dogs are there, and we're gonna have a little party and have some puppy dog cake and some toys. It's my birthday festivities. Oh, look at that little nose. That little nose is going crazy. Mommy, oh my goodness. Okay, so we're just gonna spread them out. Let's do like one filling at a time. There we go. Okay, so toy here. Get the strawberry in here. Carrot. Okay. Oh, someone is excited about this. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's sitting, Kuso. So he sits. Sitting is like the dog version of please in our household. So whenever he wants something, he sits, and it's like him saying please. This is for your friends. Although I bought a huge bag, so obviously you're gonna get some. Oh, the air squeezed out right up my nose. I don't know why dogs think that these things taste good because I don't know. But as long as they're happy. Treacle, do you agree? Ooh, the ceiling is like, the seal is like a Velcro. That's so cool. Okay, so yes, now somebody is excited. Are you excited? Here. So they look like, yeah, they look like little alligators. How cute are these? Oh, so many, so many. Oh my goodness. Put them in here. Mommy's not that mean. Okay. So now we're just gonna bunch it up and tie it with a ribbon, and we're done. Are you gonna help me, Paddington? Are you gonna help me? Are you excited for your birthday, Paddington? Kind of want to keep this banana toy for us. My awful mother. How many of you guys buy something for someone and then either you keep it for yourself or like you buy two so that you can have one too? I'm that person all the time. Okay, and there we go. So here are our little bags. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow for an all new episode of Paddington's Pantry with this little nugget.